क्लियर टू यू, ठीक है, आपके पास एनवायरमेंट एकदम क्लियर होगा कि कैसे अटेम्प्ट करना है, हाउ टू अटेम्प्ट द मॉक टेस्ट. सी गो टू nta.ac.in, go to nta.ac.in and here the mock test is there, and if you go to this mock test then you can see there is, you have to select UGC NET, and after that there is paper, that is paper. What is your paper? Maybe you can select the paper 1. I am selecting the paper 1, this is the paper 1, and start the mock test. ठीक है, from here you can start the mock test, and this same you will get in the exam hall. ठीक है, same you can get in the exam hall. So after that it will show, and here you have to come and here you have to do, that is I have read, and then after that proceed, आपको proceed करना है. And here see that how to do the time management. This is the first question, this is the first question, and from this first question if you know the answer, can anyone tell me the answer? Just real time mock test I am taking, can anyone tell me the answer? This is exactly real time mock test, and this is the NTA where you can attempt the mock test. It's a long question, lengthy question. Zoom. Yes, now it is okay. I have zoom now it is okay. See, this is a lengthy question, okay, this is a lengthy question, and here you can see that is A, B, C, D, this type of question is there, so it will take some time. So what I will do, I will mark any option, I am marking any option and save and mark for review. ठीक है, so what I have done, that whatever question is taking lengthy time, so I am doing that is skip and mark for review. ठीक है, okay, don't do the, if you can't read the question, that's okay, just I am showing that how you have to attempt and how you have to time the, how you have to manage the time. Okay, if you can't see, don't worry, I will show the question. Just I am showing that how you have to attempt, what you have to do in the exam hall. See, that is here in the assertion and reason. So assertion and reason you can do it easily, that is all teachers aim should be ensure learning and all learning result from this teaching. So if you know the answer, just click it, if you don't know, just keep it, just mark any one and skip it, save and mark for review. So in that way go to till 150 question, and after that come back and just see where the color is like that, where the color is like that, that is purple color. You can see this is a purple color with a green mark. These are the question what you have done the mark for review. Here you have to come, and some question if you did not mark anything, here in this question I did not mark anything, if I submit now then it will be the problem if I submit now. So don't do the submission, ठीक है, don't do the submission. Submission करोगे तो आपका वहाँ पे ही submit हो जाएगा. Don't do the submission. Just what you have to do, that is save and mark for review. Save and mark for review करो. So आपको क्या बोल रहा है, please choose the option. यहाँ पे आपको बोल रहा है please choose the option. So I choose any option, that is save and next. And now this is a lengthy question, so what I will do, that is next. You can do next, or from here also you can change, from here also you can go to direct question. Just clicking this button, you can go to the direct question, and you can go through all the question at 1 second. ठीक है, for DI and comprehension try to do after 1 hour. After 1 hour, when you see that DI question is there, means first 5 question will be DI. ठीक है, so this is the way that you can see the all the question, how the question is there. Just see that and just go through the question. where the question is there and what are the easy question, and skip the question, and whatever red color means you did not attempt the question, green color means you already attempt the question, and blue and purple color means that is you have marked for review. ठीक है. When to use clear option? Clear option मतलब आप किसी को मार्क किए हो. Clear means आप इसको मार्क किए हो, इसको क्लियर करना है. Clear means that this is 3 you have marked, now you want to do it clear, that is clear. You mark something, you want to do clear. Clear नहीं लगता है, just आपको mark option change करना है, तो you can change the option and definitely no need to use the clear. Clear use करने का कोई ज़रूरत ही नहीं है. आप अगर ऐसे सोचो कि 3 first you have chosen the option 3 and next time you want to choose the option, no, 3 is not correct, 2 is correct. So just choose the option 2 and definitely save it, definitely save and next, otherwise your option will be not saved. ठीक है. For here I have marked 1. If you think that 1 mark is not correct, if you want that is no, 3 will be the answer. So you can change the 3 and definitely you have to do save and next. Without save, if you can't save, then it will be not store. Always if you change your marks, if you change your option, if you change your answer, then always do save and next. No need to use the clear button. Clear button use मत करो. ठीक है. Yes, mark for review, save and mark for review. Mark for review is not saving. See, mark for review, what is the difference between save and mark for review? That just like the 30 number of question. Just you can think this is the 30 question. This is the 30 number question. If you do that is save and mark for review, and if you do that is mark for review. Mark for review means that is blank. Here it will show that only purple color. Mark for review and save and mark for review के बीच में difference क्या है? What is the difference? That is mark for review means you marked it for review but you did not mark any option. That is blank. If you go to the 30 question, you will see that no option is selected here. No option is selected here. ठीक है. Save and mark for review means you have to select any option, and mark for review means there is no option you have selected. But don't do only mark for review. Whenever you are doing mark for review, then always try to select at least one option. Guess anything you can guess and mark it, then go for save and mark for review. कोई भी ऑप्शन, don't leave any question blank. Don't leave any question blank. If you don't know the answer, if you think that some time is required or I can solve this question if time is there, then just do that is save and mark for review. Just choose any option. And for the DI and for the reading comprehension, see, this is the DI question. Just what you can see that is what number of the question, that is 31. When you saw that is 31 is DI, means definitely there that is from 31 to last 5 question will be DI question, right? So just without showing that question, just go for the 6th question, means 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. Just keep that 35 question and from this plate go to direct 36 number question, means you skip the total DI in the first round. ठीक है. उसमें टाइम वेस्ट ही मत करो. जब भी आप देखिएगा कि DI क्वेश्चन दिखा रहा है और रीडिंग कम्प्रीहेंशन क्वेश्चन दिखा रहा है, तो आप वही 5 क्वेश्चन को जस्ट डायरेक्टली स्किप करो एंड गो टू दैट 36 नंबर क्वेश्चन. ठीक है. 36 नंबर क्वेश्चन पे जाओ, उसको सॉल्व करने के लिए ट्राई करो एंड इन दैट वे ट्राई टू सॉल्व ऑल द क्वेश्चन. डोंट डू दैट इज फर्स्ट हाफ आई हैव टू डू फर्स्ट 1 hour I have to do paper 1, then I have to go for paper 2. Don't do that mistake. I have done that mistake previously, that's why I am telling you, don't do that mistake. At least from 1.5 hour try to do all the easy question from paper 1 and paper 2 both. DI आता है, हाँ DI आता है तो भी स्किप करो फर्स्ट राउंड में, बट आई एम टेलिंग कि फर्स्ट राउंड में आप स्किप करो सुनीता एंड एवरीवन, क्योंकि फर्स्ट 1.5 आवर में आपको बहुत इजी क्वेश्चन जो है पेपर 1 पेपर 2 में सब कुछ कर लेना है. उसके बाद आपके पास 1.5 आवर रहेगा, यू हैव 1.5 आवर मोर, देन सॉल्व DI, रीडिंग कम्प्रिहेंशन, मैथ, एवरीथिंग. ठीक है सुनीता, गॉट इट. आपको आता है तब भी करो. yes, what I am telling. And any other doubt anyone have any other doubt regarding that, what can be happen in exam or what you have to do in exam? That is what I am telling कि first 1.5 hour, first 1.5 hour you have to do all easy question. जस्ट आप इसको अप्लाई करो, ऑल इजी क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम पेपर 1 प्लस पेपर 2, एंड ऑल इजी एंड लेस टाइम कंज्यूमिंग. नॉट ओनली इजी क्वेश्चन हो सकते हैं बट इट विल बी टाइम टेकिंग. लेस टाइम कंज्यूमिंग, इजी प्लस लेस टाइम कंज्यूमिंग. इजी है बट टाइम लगेगा, वो मत करो. इजी है, टाइम कम लग रहा है, मतलब 30 सेकेंड से 1 मिनट के अंदर हो रहा है. ट्राई टू डू 30 सेकेंड, ट्राई टू डू इन 30 सेकेंड. तो 30 सेकेंड के अंदर होगा तो 30 इंटू 150, 30 इंटू 150 दैट विल बी 4500 सेकेंड. 4500 सेकेंड मीन्स हाउ मच? दैट इज 1 आवर के बाद आपको 1.3 आवर्स में 1.5 आवर में हो जाएगा, राइट? ठीक है, तो ये आपको 1.5 आवर में हो जाएगा. आपको 30 सेकेंड लगेगा तो देन यू रिमेनिंग दैट इज 1.5 आवर. इन दैट 1.5 आवर में यू हैव टू डू DI, यू हैव टू डू मैथ, and you have to do other time consuming question what you are able to solve. क्योंकि इसी 1.5 आवर में आपको 150 क्वेश्चन सारे दिख जाएगा. now you know all the question whatever there in 150, and now your palette, what is your palette here? That is the plate will show you here in the plate. Here is the plate. In this plate it is now the planning is ready to you that I have done. When you saw that so many green color are there, how the confidence is coming when you see after 1.5 hour, when you see in the plate that is from 150 question I have done already 50 or 60 question. When all the green color are there, then your confidence will be charged, there will be double charge. अब डबल चार्ज हो जाओगे 1.5 आवर के बाद. अब जब एक प्लेट में देखोगे ना कि बहुत सारा ग्रीन कलर है, आपको मैं अभी दिखा रही हूँ कैसे कॉन्फिडेंस आते हैं. जस्ट आप थिंक द मेंटालिटी कैसे चेंज हो जाएगा. मैं जस्ट ऐसे ही कर रही हूँ, सेव एंड नेक्स्ट, एंड इसको मैं कर रही हूँ मार्क फॉर रिव्यू, इसको मैं कर रही हूँ सेव एंड नेक्स्ट, इसको मैं सेव एंड नेक्स्ट, इसको जस्ट आई एम शोइंग यू कि हाउ इट विल चेंज योर मेंटालिटी. सेव एंड नेक्स्ट, नाउ आई एम डूइंग मार्क फॉर रिव्यू, नाउ आई एम डूइंग सेव एंड मार्क फॉर रिव्यू. Now I am doing that mark for review and do save and mark for review, and here save and next. So you can see that so many green color are there. If you see that there are so many green color means I have done so many question already, then it will be boost up your energy, it will boost up your energy level. So after 1.5 hour you will be able to solve more difficult question also. क्योंकि क्या होते हैं, टाइम प्रेशर में आप इजी क्वेश्चन को भूल करते हो. इजी क्वेश्चन भी आपसे नहीं बनता है विद इन टाइम प्रेशर, इसलिए आप इजी क्वेश्चन को 1.5 आवर में कर लो तो आपको 1.5 आवर में बहुत सारा ग्रीन हो जाएगा, एंड वट एवर रेड मीन्स इट इज़ नॉट डन, and whatever that is mark for review means you know that you have to mark. And if you see that any question you don't know at all, then just do it. Maybe this question you don't know at all, so mark it 2 or mark it 3 as per your lucky number and save and next. जो आपको नहीं आता है, जो आपको पहले नेक्स्ट टाइम में भी नहीं आएगा, जो you sure about that you don't know that topic, सो जस्ट डू इट सेव एंड नेक्स्ट. उसको आप सेव एंड मार्क फॉर रिव्यू मत करो, ठीक है, क्योंकि इट विल वेस्ट योर टाइम. जब आप फर्स्ट टाइम में कर रहे हो, फर्स्ट टाइम में अगर आपको दिख रहा है कि ये क्वेश्चन मुझे नहीं बनेगा, ये क्वेश्चन मुझसे नहीं होगा, उसको आप मार्क फॉर रिव्यू ही मत करो. उसको आप जस्ट एक गेसिंग लगा लो, एनी गेसिंग यू कैन डू, and after that guessing just do that, okay, this is my guessing, my lucky number is 2, this is my guessing, and do it save and next, so that in the next time when you come back it will not affect your time. आप उसी क्वेश्चन में टाइम वेस्ट मत करोगे. आप नेक्स्ट टाइम में सिर्फ वही क्वेश्चन को करोगे जहाँ पे आप किए हो मार्क फॉर रिव्यू, मीन्स विच आर द क्वेश्चन इज शोइंग that is purple and green color. ठीक है, you have to do only that purple and green color question after 1 and 30 minutes. Okay, got it? ठीक है, and the red color, that is red color will be only DI and reading comprehension. Red color means what? That is reading and their DI and reading comprehension, that is whatever you did not touch. That question you have to solve now. That is now come back to DI and reading comprehension. DI was there I think in the 30 or 31. This is the DI. So here it will be blank. This is showing you blank, means you did not touch the question. Here you have to solve the DI. Okay, I think this is clear to everyone. Any other doubt anyone have? And always do save and mark for review. Don't use that only mark for review and next, and don't use this back and next button. ये back and next button use मत करो. जब भी आप कुछ कर रहे हो, आपको अगर नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन में जाना है तो डायरेक्टली इससे जाओ. DI you have to skip 5 question. तो why you will this next? It will time consuming. Just go for the plate and from that plate just go to directly 37 number question. ठीक है, डायरेक्टली प्लेट को यूज़ करो, वो बैक नेक्स्ट ये यूज़ मत करो. ये यूज़ करने से टाइम वेस्ट होता है. ये बैक एंड नेक्स्ट, दिस वन डोंट यूज़, जस्ट यूज़ द ट्राई टू यूज़ द प्लेट. प्लेट में आपको जो दिख रहा है उसको डायरेक्टली वो क्वेश्चन पे जाओ, उसको सॉल्व करो. ठीक है, एनी अदर डाउट? Because we have to solve the yesterday's question. Any other doubt anyone have? And after solving everything, when your question is done, just see that any option should not be blank. Any option last 5 minutes, you have to see that in the plate there will be 150. Here it is showing 50. There will be 150 in the plate. There should not be like anything is blank. If anything is blank, then just do it save and next. Just do that. Is there is red color. If anything is blank means put it here, you can put it and save and next. just इसको सेव एंड नेक्स्ट करते करते जाओ कि कोई भी क्वेश्चन ब्लैंक छोड़ना नहीं है. लास्ट 5 मिनट में आप वो प्लेट को अच्छे से चेक करो कि कोई भी क्वेश्चन ब्लैंक हो रहा है क्या नहीं. इफ देयर इज एनी ब्लैंक देन यू हैव टू डू इट एंड सेव एंड नेक्स्ट. ठीक है, एंड फॉर दिस एनवायरमेंट प्लीज ट्राई टू अटेम्प्ट दिस मॉक टेस्ट वट एवर इज देयर इन NTA NET वेबसाइट, so that you will be comfortable, you will be used to with this environment. You will be used to with this environment. Try to attempt this in environment only. ठीक है, upload this PDF also. ठीक है, okay, thank you everyone. thanks for joining that session, and happy Teachers Day to all of you. You are a teacher and you are going to be a teacher, so best wishes for all of you for your career and for your future. Thank you so much. Okay, yes, thank you. Yes, happy Teachers Day to all of you. Bye. I think this session will be helpful for you because this is a different type of question. Yesterday and today we have done all the question of that paper. This paper is very important because here I saw that different type of question is coming in this paper. So be prepared, try to check all types of question and be prepared for that. Don't get confused. Okay, be prepared for any situation. Okay, bye bye. Bye bye everyone. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thanks. Thank you. Bye.